Alright, Chevy truck time. Let's see if we left the keys in here. Probably took them around front. But I want to start this thing up. Oh, there we go. Yep, we got them. We're going to start this thing up here. Get this pulled around front. We're going to empty out this cab. She's a Hummer. I think I'm going to give this thing a quick wash, and like I said, I'm going to get this emptied out, and I'm going to work on getting it's maybe the front brakes are hanging up. You know how it is in this stone, it just kind of, the stone kind of rolls like marbles and stuff sinks. None of this stuff is packed down yet because nothing was really drove on it, so. Let's go right here. Alright, got a little bit of dirt on this paint. Go figure. See right through here. I'm gonna go get the bucket. The mitt, we got a hose right here. This stuff from sitting. Let's get this stuff cleaned off so we start with something good and clean. That's a little better. A little cleaner. It's like wax or something there. But yeah, just did a little quick spray. It looks like something actually made a little nest down in here, which is kind of weird. You know, there's like 5 cats around here running around. How something even got in there. And a little bit here in the corner you couldn't get to here. But just a little quick wash. That way it's good and clean. You gotta love the old school ding. Alright. Let's get this thing moved. Alright, I'm gonna get this hood popped. Let it dry. I'll blow that off here as soon as it's dried. Get all that out of there. Actually looks pretty good. I mean, it was a little bit of fur and mostly like pine needles from the pine tree back there, so doesn't mean they were chewing anything on the vehicle. So that's always a good sign. You can see door seal does leak a little bit. I don't know if that was because of direct spray, but anyway, here's some of the stuff that, some of the parts, I guess, for the vehicle. And I'm not sure, I guess we're going to use this to paint the back of it or something here. So I'm going to get all this stuff out of here and set in with the other parts that I have for this in the corner. Got a lot of stuff cleaned out inside. We do have a new dash pad. I think we're putting another radio in it. Just figured I'd just do a real quick look around here. I did kind of find I found some ants down under here. Kind of just sprayed them with window cleaner. It seems like it's the safest thing, and usually it kills the ants and it doesn't hurt anything in a vehicle. Let's go over here to the other side. I blew out down in the doors and everything. This looks like it has a little bit here, which we'll have to address a little bit here before we put the, I think we got new, I don't know if we got new vinyl or what, if it was a carpet he ordered for down here. I think he got something. So yeah, nothing's too bad. So we'll get this all cleaned out and taken care of and addressed. I mean, it'll be a good fix, and you know, it ain't gonna be nothing to worry about. It's not like you're welding a panel in there, but. And then out here underneath the hood, this way you can see what we got. Not only that, if I need to, I can refer back to this video. I mean, we can actually see where stuff is. And these here were new. I think the fenders were new. Well, maybe the core support was new. It's got new bolts in it here. And new body mounts. The battery was new. New overflow bottle. They never hooked the AC up. I think we got an AC condenser in there because we're gonna retrofit it and get it charged up so we have AC. But there we go. Underneath the hood, looks really good. Kneel down here quick. Little crack there in the bottom of the fan shroud, which isn't anything. So there we go. Let's get this. We'll start with draining the rad, and I'm going to get that stuff unbolted. We're going to try to get everything off of these wheel wells today, and maybe the hood and the fenders pulled. Alright, well, it's lunchtime. We got some fenders. We got a pile of parts there. We got a radiator. Got a core support. It's nice and hot. So we're gonna grab a snack and we are gonna probably maybe jump in the pool, cool off for a little bit, and then get back on this project this afternoon when it cools down some.